been here 3 days. I can't believe we waited this long.
Lots of packaging.
doTERRA is moving to paper, thank goodness. Alright, what do we got here? I think this is a diffuser, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's the convection kit. Oh no, it's the convection kit. Ooh! Okay, so, oops, backwards. Let's save that for a second. The Laluz. I'm very excited about these new diffusers with eco-friendly packaging. Feel that. It's very nice. Recyclable. This is beautiful. Very, very beautiful packaging.
Simple yet elegant.
Yes. I feel like our lighting is very dark also.
That's okay, that's fine.
I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're covered. Is that good? That's where things are gonna fall off. Ooh, that's a very firm seal right there. It's like cardboard. Wow.
You want me to try that?
Yeah, but I wanted it to be pretty. That's why I wasn't just tearing it. No, it's not.
That's got threads in it. It will never be pretty.
Well, it was the way that I was doing it, cutting it, not pulling it.
Then we'd never see what's inside.
Just let me do it.
Show the dilemma here. Torn edges.
Yeah, because I wanted the package to be pretty. That's not pretty, right? It's not.
It's plastic.
So the diffuser is actually quite a bit smaller than I thought.
Yeah, it looks big with the box.
Yeah, given the box, right? But there's obviously a cord. Oh, nice. Hold that for a second. Yeah, that's glass. Open it up. The cord is nice. It's
it's not a screw on, so you gotta be careful when you hold that.
Okay. None of doTERRA's are screw on.
Yeah, no, it looked like a screw on.
But it's got this nice fabric cord. I don't know if you can see that. So that's nice. So that's not going to wear out as easily, which is beautiful. 330 square feet. The run time on it up to 8 hours, and there is a lavender light in this one, so we'll do a little bit more on that later. Beautiful glass top, and I believe recycled plastics on the bottom. Okay. Try to pull out the next one. The Rome. This is the one that doesn't need batteries, or it doesn't need a cord. It runs on batteries. Another super big box.
I'm gonna get it right this time.
Yeah, get it right. See? Wow, look at the difference. Amazing. Doesn't look shredded. Showy show. Look at. See? That's done nicely. Much nicer. Who's OCD? So this one is a recycled resin stone. Shove over just a bit. Like, I'm not even on this. There we go. Yeah, this is all recycled materials, which is amazing. And interestingly, which I'm shocked about, this is actually bigger than the Laluz. That is a humidifier, which is awesome.
It's not on camera yet.
What's that?
It's not on camera yet.
I know, I'm just telling you. Look, it's bigger than this one. Yeah. So I didn't expect the Laluz to be smaller than the Rome. So that one is the battery-operated one. There is a cable with it. This is not a fabric cable.
For the base, to charge the base, so.
Yeah, to charge the base. I think there are batteries as well. Yeah,
it's resin.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got power already.
Neat. So yeah, this is stone. This is a recycled stone resin. I believe it's a recycled base. All the materials with these are all eco-friendly as well, which is really cool. Nicely done. The boxes are very clearly recycled.
I don't want to break it.
What are you trying to do?
Just take it out, like open the thing up, but it's okay. We'll figure it out after. You gotta go to the blue light like normal. Keep going until you get past the blue colored light. Keep going. Keep going.
I wonder what the red flashing light is for.
I think it's telling me there's no water in it. It's like a heads up.
Good question. How'd you get the bottom off?
I didn't. On the other one?
Oh,
Just
what's
pull it.
this?
That's the charging base. That's what you put. That's what it says. You put it to charge it. You
Okay.
put it on there for anything.
Got it. But we don't know how to open it?
No, but we'll figure that out. No one wants to watch us try to figure that out.
Are you sure? Oh, perfect. That always happens.
Give credit for always trying.
I do always try, and I always offload stuff when that happens. So much on there that I haven't done anything with yet. This is very heavy also.
I like that about it.
It's the room. The room is heavy. And this is the humidifier. It's like Christmas! This is definitely more traditionally packed, doTERRA style.
John.
The Dawn. This one's not as pretty. Not at all. This is very functional. This is the humidifier. What I love about this one is that you don't have to take the top off to fill it. So you can just add oils and water to the top of it.
It looks like the Mac Pro, but gray.
Yeah, it looks like a Mac Tower, doesn't it? So there's some assembly required here. It's pretty big. Give you an idea of the size. Ooh. The Lalouse.
Yeah,
The
how much
Dawn.
water does it have?
Lalouse Dawn. Quite a bit. It's a humidifier. Oh. So the Lalouse being the smallest, that being the biggest. Well, there's like plastic and stuff that needs to come off. And then I believe this just sits in the top. So this is where you would fill your water and, let's see, there. This is where you would fill your water and your oils, and it just sits on the top.
All the water and the oils?
Yeah, you drop the water and the oils in there. And then it's a humidifier, which is amazing because, I mean, we've been turning the heat on lately, and like we leave a cup of water on our elements, our vents to. So the new toothpaste, this is carageenan free now and titanium dioxide free. Everything else has been in there. I thought the hydroxyapatite was new, but that's always been in there. And that is better than fluoride at remineralizing teeth and rebuilding enamel, which is pretty amazing. So anybody that says you can't do that, you can. These are pretty cool. I don't know how much I will personally use these, but these are On Guard wipes. So these would be like the alternative to Lysol wipes. On Guard. Very nice, very nice. Apparently doTERRA had those a long time ago, and now they brought them back, which is great. They are making the balance bar permanent, which is nice. That's the black one.
Right.
So that'll be lovely.
Unnecessarily wrapped in plastic.
Yeah, fail. The Mind and Mood kit. This one's pretty good. This is the adaptive kit. So there is a series of LRP kits now, and this will be the first of the Mind and Mood kit.
This is temporary, right? This pouch? It's not something that's going to be offered regularly? Or?
No, it is.
It is?
Yeah, anybody can order this anytime, and there's a 3-month program. So you can get on and off that anytime. Little mini balance deo, bottle of adaptive, life-changing. Go check out my video on that. Videos. Totally amazing. I didn't even think I needed them, and they still changed my life, so they don't discriminate. Adaptive roller and balance blend. So like I said, this is the first of 3. I've got those kits on my Instagram stories on the highlights. And
that's what's in there?
Yeah, that's the Mind and Mood kit. So you just get the pouch with the first kit, and then it's meant to hold everything that you'll get in the 3 months. So every month is different for 3 months. And they're all at an amazing price point. $100 Canadian, $80 US. Okay, now, well, helichrysum isn't new, so we don't really need to smell that because I don't want to open it. Helichrysum we've had in the roller. We had that for our Christmas special last year, which is pretty amazing. Now they just brought it back permanently, which is nice for people who don't want to spend the $70 or $80 on the 5 ml bottle as it comes previously. Davana. This is our new one.
One of the new ones.
One of the 3. Go ahead and give that. I'm really excited about this one. This one's supposed to be, it's known as the Flirt. It's a flower, a flirty, sexy oil, and it's supposed to change with your body chemistry.
Oh, that's right.
So it's I'm just going to see if I can free up some space here. Here we go. Let's see if we can.
Nirvana will take it to Nirvana.
Yeah?
For me, it has a bit of that. What's the one? Myrrh? Is there myrrh in there?
It's not a blend.
No, it's not a
single
blend.
oil. Ooh, I can smell it on you. That's very interesting.
Yeah, it's got a lot of different
layers
to it. Which is where, that's why I just immediately thought it was a blend.
That's incredible.
Like it is floral, but it is a bit earthy.
Yeah.
It's sweet. It's sour.
There's a bit of a fruitiness. Kind of reminds me of elderberry.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible. So
yeah,
let me smell it on you. Yeah. Oh my god, I love it. I feel like it is changing. Smell it on you and then smell it on me. Yeah.
Oh, it's totally different on you. That's on you?
Yep.
It smells like vanilla on you.
I guess that's what I really smell like.
It smells gross on me. I don't like it on me. Let me smell it again over here. Yeah, it's much more sweet. It's more sour on me.
That's beautiful. I'm sad I only have 1 bottle of that. All right, Tulsi, holy basil.
I'm excited about that one.
It's a very, very deep, earthy basil. Oh yeah, it's basil. But it's like richer and deeper. And
yeah. Like completely different than the other basil.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It's almost like it's got a bit of what's it called? Patchouli-ish. Patchouli.
Yeah, really nice. Find an empty piece of skin here.
More vibrant patchouli.
Woo, really deep. I'm gonna love that in tea.
Are you sure you don't have something else on you?
I have a little bit of Motivate.
Oh yeah, you do. That's where I smell the vanilla. Oh, that doesn't count.
What? I don't have it here.
Yeah, I'm sure you must have. No, not as much. So where'd you put that? Where you have Motivate?
I don't know.
Anyway.
I don't know.
I filled
the diffuser.
I got a mouthful of vanilla.
No, that's not unusual for you. You're very perceptive.
Bergamot mint.
Kind of reminds me of lemongrass.
What?
You didn't touch that to your skin, I hope.
No.
Yes, you did!
Oh, I rubbed it like this one. Reminds me of, a bit of spearmint, a bit of,
Ooh, put a drop in your hands and smell
there's
it.
the bergamot, yeah. Is it those two together? Is it all it is? Is it a blend?
No, it's its own...
It is its own thing?
It's its own plant.
Ooh, it's got a bit of a woody.
Maybe for your cologne.
Mm-hmm. It's a very yeah, like a
Very
fresh scented
unique.
cologne. You know,
Yeah.
if you're looking for like a day. Hmm.
Yeah, I like that.
Is
That's
this going to be a regular offering, or is this a temporary only?
All three of those are temporary.
Alright.
But given the COVID situation, I don't fault them.
Hmm.
It's amazing that they were able to bring us anything. So.
Yeah. Yeah, that's very,
Really
I like
nice.
that.
Yeah. It's a very masculine.
It is masculine, but bright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. That's it. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Happy to be here. Smell things.
Till next time.